To set up Wireguard VPN, log into your OPNSense web interface. Navigate to Interfaces Overview and copy the WAN IP to a notepad. To create a Wireguard instance, go to VPN Wireguard instance and click on Add button. Keep name as Wireguard. Click on the wheel to generate key pair. Set listen port to 51820. Set tunnel address to 10.20.30.1/24. Click Save to save the instance. To generate a peer, go to Peer Generator. Copy one IP from Notepad and paste it in the endpoint. Add port 51820 to it. Set name to MyPC. Set DNS servers to 10.20.30.1. Set keep alive interval to 25. Copy the config and paste it into Notepad. This config has to be sent to the peer. Click on Store and Generate next. Go to Peers and check the newly generated peer. To enable the Wireguard instance, check the Enable Wireguard checkbox and click Apply. Go to Interfaces, Assignments. Click on Device drop-down and select newly created WG0 Wireguard interface. Set description to Wireguard VPN. Click on Add button. Click on Save. A new Wireguard VPN interface is now added to Interfaces. Click on it and enable the interface. Check the Prevent Interface Removal checkbox. Click on Save. Click Apply Changes and wait for changes to be applied. Go to Firewall, Rules, and then WAN. Click on Add button. Set protocol to UDP. Set destination to WAN address. Set port from 51820. Port to 51820. Set description to Allow Wireguard connections. Click on Save. Click Apply Changes. Go to Wireguard VPN. Click on Add button. Set source to Wireguard VPN net. Set description to Allow Wireguard network to access local networks. Change TCP IP version to IPv4 and IPv6. Click on Save. Click Apply Changes. Move the config file to the peer. Open command prompt on the peer and ping the OPNSense local address. The request should time out. Open Wireguard. Click on Add Tunnel and then add Empty Tunnel. Give name to the tunnel. Copy the config and paste into Wireguard tunnel. Click Save. Click Activate. As soon as the tunnel is activated, there is a reply from OPNSense Firewall. Open the browser and test the VPN by logging into OPNSense router. Congratulations, Wireguard VPN on OPNSense is now complete. Please like and share this video. Comment your thoughts. Subscribe to this channel for more such contents.